It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of this steering wheel we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right we have various drive modes appear on the dash. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with the park brake just below. Rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a cloth interior, and that center console opens up into an additional seat. Next I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, and on the right side we have our audio controls and voice commands. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, we have OnStar and some interior light buttons. Next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with our trailer light app, and the screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right here we have hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, the tailgate release, traction control. This button here rolls all four windows down at the same time, the trailer brake controller, and some USB ports and a power plug-in. To the left here is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the truck. At the front of the Elevation Edition we have the painted grille surround and bumper, black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, black side mirrors, rear tinted windows, Elevation hard badging down the side. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. 4x4, remote start, and the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps are found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It's also got GMC's MultiPro tailgate steps, so by pushing two additional buttons, we're able to drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has 12 cargo hooks and LED box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of our center console has the rear fans, USB ports, and a power plug-in. Rubber floor mats on the floor, and we're able to raise these rear seats up with ease for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.